busy chewing the shoelaces here, having lots of fun. He's fixing all my little burrs on my socks and discovered the hard plastic on the end of the new shoelaces. Well, alright then. And it's time to pick the lint off my pants, off the socks, and fix the shoelaces. Yeah, choose what shoelace to fix today. Maybe that one. He's already taken the other end off. Oops, gotta clean our toes. That's a good idea. Yeah. Well, lots of work to do on the socks. His nesting point. Well, he's already taken off the dye off that tip of that shoe. Somebody fell asleep. He was busy fixing the shoelaces. Now he's worn out. Okay. Sound asleep on my socks.